Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance or YFI. Currently at the $8,000 level, we are currently ranked at 175 with a market cap of about $266 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $50 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here uh, for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So right here for YFI, we are down 4.5% on the day. And without further ado, let us push over to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And so for YFI, basically we saw that push above the bull market EMA right here at the $5,000 level. We had been saying it on the channel that we were very, very bullish on YFI. And as you can see, since then, we have seen YFI push up that whopping push right into that $15,000 level, right? We saw the situation with the YFI team, and they are still saying it's still a mistake, right? That we saw this massive dump right here by the devs, and since then we have basically been consolidating. But as regards price action, we are seeing some sort of huge developments right here for YFI. We were still bullish on YFI because YFI was still holding above our bull market EMA. Currently we have seen some sort of flirting happening right here with the bull market EMA, but one thing we need to take note of is that we do not want to see this cross right here happen for YFI, because if we do not see the bulls coming right here and push the price of YFI into that $9,000 region, that could mean some very, very disastrous push to the downside right here for YFI. So that could be a confirmation of the downtrend and probably the end of this mini bull market right here for YFI. So we need to see the bulls come in and push the price of YFI above this 8,600 level, right? We haven't seen the cross yet, but we are about to see the cross, and so we are expecting to see the bulls come in and make sure we avert this disaster that is coming soon. As you can see, just basically looking at the volume profile, we are already seeing of the a flip of the delta and the momentum, right? So the moment we are seeing the flip of the delta and the momentum basically means the bears are currently in control, right? And we are seeing massive downward price pressure, right? So the last inch, right, we are right here, or the last support is right here at the $8,000 level. If we lose the support, guys, we are going to gobbling town right back down, right? So we need to see the bulls coming right here and push price to the upside. And so right now we are hanging on the last strand of support right here for YFI, right? So that's the update right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.